Hi guys! So, i-room tour ko kayo dito sa room ng Crystal Hinan Hotel Boracay. So, let's go! So, ano ito? So, ito yung bathroom nila guys. So, mayroon ditong wardrobe na may mirror. Wardrobe. And then, this is the bathtub. And this is the toilet. And this is toilet. And this is the lagayan ng mga suitcase, pero wala kaming suitcase because nandito lang kami for a night. And this accommodation is sponsored by Chi Magpayo. Thank you so much. So, let's go. So, ito mayroong table, coffee, and then mayroon silang sofa na maliit. And then mayroon kaming king size bedroom. And then mayroon silang complimentary chocolate. So yun guys. So ito lang guys. Dito kami just for a night. And then ito yung may view namin is a swimming pool. So let's go. Watching. So yan ang view namin guys. Yan, look at the pool. Yan, pool view kami. So, yan siya guys. Kasama ko yung aking anakers. Suspek. Ang magastos. So, this is the room tour from Hinan Crystal Hotel Boracay. Sponsored by Chi Magpayo. Thank you so much, Chi. And hope you enjoy watching my vlog. This is Kate Dimson. Here's the view. So ito yun siya guys. Dito kami sa rooftop ng swimming pool. Yan. So this is the rooftop swimming pool. Yan siya. Nagsiswimming na apam. Ayan. So, after nito guys, mag-picture kami as usual. So, ayan. Hindi siya sunny today. Pero okay lang. At least hindi sobrang mainit. Ayan. CPR ako ngayon kasi ano nga to? My music. So, ayan siya guys. Ayan. Ayan siya. Wait lang. Wagalit ko na ball towel.